just a little bit, on my printing plate. Okay? And then I'm going to put this off to the side. Don't worry about that. Then I'm going to take my brayer and I'm going to roll the ink out on the printing plate. You're going to need to do one color at a time. And the focus of this is trying to get as equal a layer as is possible. So you want to get this ink to where it's kind of all spread out. So you notice I'm going back and forth, back and forth. Okay, so it's nice and equal. I'm going to put this off to the side. I'm going to take the printing plate, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the brayer and I'm going to roll ink over the surface of the printing plate. So only the raised edges are showing. Okay, when I'm done, I'm taking this and I'm laying it off to the side, taking my printing plate, and I want to make sure my area is clean. So I'm taking my prep area completely away, and I'm just taking my printing plate and laying my printing plate down. I want to make sure my hands are clean. And then I'm going to take my prepped paper, okay, and I'm putting it face down onto my printing plate. Now, we'll talk about registering. Some of you may want to do more than one print on the same piece of paper. Some of you may want to do your two colors on the same paper, so we'll have a demonstration about that at a different time. Then we're going to take a Baron. In this case, it's a wooden spoon, and we're going to rub the back. Now, notice that my hand is holding half the paper, and what I'm doing is I'm lifting that ink off of the printing plate onto the paper, and you can kind of start, you can't see, but you can kind of start seeing her design come through the paper. Okay, that means you know that you're lifting it good. So, and I can take and I can put my hand on half of the printing plate and I can lift and I can look. Okay, and I can see, well, am I getting it on there well? Yeah, that looks pretty good. So I can put that back, can take my hand, and I can lift, and I can look at this side. Yeah, that looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it off. So there's her finished print. Now, there are things that can be done to this. I can now take and use the negative image after this is dried, and I can print and make some of this interior stuff another color. So what you're getting is you're getting a print that's got all of this stuff going on, got the purple going on, and it's got whatever other color ink you want to do going on. So you're building layers. This particular printing project is about building layers. This is much more sophisticated than any printing that you've done up to this point. Okay, you can go ahead and stop.